Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. This evening we are going to be making a 3-ingredient dinner or lunch, and that is going to be chili potatoes. First thing what we're going to need to do is scrub your potatoes clean, okay? I like to, rather than a fork, I like to take my sharpest knife so I'm not fighting with the potato, and I just like to throw a couple stabs in there. So stab your potato. This is the part some people miss when microwaving your potatoes, but not us. And then we are going to throw them in the microwave. 7 to 10 minutes. Everyone's microwave cooks differently. Everyone's potatoes are different sizes. So we're going to say 7 to 10 minutes per potato. Okay? And then you want to get your favorite brand of chili. Whether it has beans in it or not. I do like beans, but for putting it on the potato, I just like to go with no beans. So you're going to want to get that in a bowl. So when you finish cooking those potatoes in your microwave, this is going to hit the microwave next. This is for one of those days when it's so hot outside and you don't feel like cooking. And you only want to use as few of ingredients as possible. And most of the time, these are ingredients that you have on hand. Okay, friends, I'm going to finish cooking my potatoes. Okay, I have a couple potatoes that just came out of the microwave. Now let's heat up the chili. Okay, now that I have got my potato done and it's out of the microwave, my chili is heated up, it's out of the microwave. You want to cut your potato in half. Get you a fork. Fluff the potato. Doing this is going to help it cool down, and it's going to grab onto that sauce. Okay, that is nice and fluffy. Then you're just going to want to take your heated chili and just pour that. This is so easy, and it is filling because potatoes are filling. Our third ingredient is cheese. Whatever your favorite cheese is, whatever cheese you have on hand. And then just put that cheese right there. So now I like melted cheese on mine, so I am going to put that back in the microwave so I can melt it. Okay, there it is done. Your 3 ingredients: your potatoes, your cheese, and your chili. Very affordable and very easy, especially on hot days when you don't want to cook, or you just got off of work and you don't want to cook. This is so easy. Okay, I just really want to give it a nice good taste test. It is pretty hot. Oh yeah, that is really, really hot. I haven't had this in a long time. Friends, it's just so simple and easy. Friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep cooking, and I love you all.